What's up, YouTube? Doswellbeats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, today what I'm doing is another how-to video. Somebody reached out to me, another one of my subscribers reached out to me and asked. He said, Doswell, I notice sometimes you use the half level and sometimes you don't use the half level. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what the half level is. If you look in the DAW, you can see where the half level is, and I'm going to show y'all and explain to you what the half level is. I know most of y'all already probably know this, but I'm helping for those that don't know. All right, so let's go, man. Let's get it. That's what we're doing today. I'm explaining what the half level is. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Alright, so we inside the MPC now. Right here, as you can see, is the half level. So when it's not red, that means the half level is off. When it's red, that means the half level is on. He said that he don't use it because he don't know what it is for. So the reason why I'm thinking he don't know what it's for is because he doesn't have the hardware. He doesn't have one of the MPC hardware. That's the only way this will work. The half level is if you have the hardware. It doesn't work if you have a MIDI keyboard connected just to your DAW. It needs the hardware to use the half level. Right? So what the half level does is, first I'm gonna just go ahead and try to explain and show you what it does before I tell you what it does. Well, I'm telling you what it do. It plays the level, it plays the music. Whatever you play, it plays it halfway instead of playing it fully. All right, I can show you more than I can explain it to you. So let's go ahead and open up Minigram. All right, so I armed the half level right now. It's armed, right? So if you notice, hit one key, right? So that's a full level. If I hit it softer, you can barely hear it, right? So on the MPC, it actually controls that for you. Once that's armed, no matter how hard you hit the MPC, it would only give you half level of whatever you're playing. All right, if it's off, then and you hit the MPC hard, it'll give you the full level. If you hit the MPC soft, it'll give you a lower level. But half level will make it stay consistently halfway straight across. Let's do it. Let's just walk through it and show you. All right, so we're gonna hit record and play from start, and then we're gonna just hit this as hard as we can, right? And then we're gonna hit the MPC as hard as we can. So let's slow it down. Let's just go to 80 BPM. All right, let's go. Look. Now this, no matter how hard I'm hitting it hard. It's still only giving me half level. Alright, so you can see the levels right here. I was hitting this up here hard. I was hitting the MIDI keyboard hard. And I was hitting the MPC hard. So no matter, once it's on, if you have the hardware, the MPC hardware, no matter which one it is, the X, the Live, the Touch, the One, whatever, if you hit it hard with the half note on, it's only going to give you half notes, like the half volume, half level, right? The volume. If you take it off, let's delete all these. Hold on, let me see. Let's delete these. And let's Let's leave it on, and we're going to hit this soft. Now we're going to hit the MPC soft, and look. No matter how soft you touch it, it put everything in the same. So no matter how hard you hit it, that's what the half note does. All right, let's delete that. Now let's take half note off. So watch when I hit the MPC. When I hit the MPC, it's gonna play what it's gonna play. If I hit it soft, it's gonna play it soft. If I hit it hard, it's gonna hit it hard. If I hit it soft, so that's what the half note does. Let's record it and let's show you. So notice half time is off. I mean, half level is off. And when we hit record and go, we're going to hit soft and then hard. Alright, so that's what it does, man. And then on the MPC, it doesn't show this, but on the MPC you can have it on the hardware. If the light on the MPC is red, that means it's gonna give you the full level. I have the MPC Touch. I don't know about the other ones if it's yellow or red, but once you double click it and it turns red, that means it's gonna give you, if you hit it soft, it's gonna give you the full note. Alright, so that's it, man. That's what the half level does. That's it. Alright, there's nothing special. So we'll see you in the next one. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Catch you in the next one. Let's go. Peace.